Well, it says record, I think. Yes. Yesterday, for the first time since 1999, I did some welding. This is on my 2000 F2 150 Ford truck. Put one of these pieces of metal in here, and I put this on here. I know, the welds look like crap, but seems how I'm trying to weld 16th inch to here and also onto here. That came out pretty dang good. Particularly when I'm using 8th inch 78 60 11. And this, eventually I'm going to put a spare tire up on top of this truck with this. These pieces were welded previously and they had some gaps in them, so I re-welded them. Yeah, they don't look too pretty, but I ain't looking for pretty on a truck which is made in 2000. Climbing out of the back end of the truck. Being 67 years of age doesn't help. A couple months ago, I installed a nice monarch butterfly flying around. Yes. There it is. That's 220 for the welder. Circuit breaker box in there. There's 4 110 outlets on separate breakers in here. And this piece of metal right here, I bought so I can do some practice welds. I'm using a stick welder, and those are my practice welds. I'll be doing some more welding work on this thing at a future date. So this is the end of the video.